to the virtual tour of the Architecture Design Studio in the College of Design Engineering. Here with us, we have Vedika Gupta, a Year 3 architecture student, and she'll be showcasing the incredible facilities here. Hi Vedika, please tell us more about yourself.
Hi, so I'm a Year 3 architecture student pursuing a double minor in entrepreneurship as well as cities. And previously, in my Year 2 summer break, I did pursue an internship as well.
Wow, it looks like there's a lot of resources here which offers a hands-on experience for students, which you might agree is very important for architecture. So can you tell us a bit more about this materials library and how it helps students in their creative process?
So I think one very unique thing about this material library is that it actually provides a very large range of materials for you to look at, and it actually allows students to kind of get a little bit of inspiration in terms of what material they will want to use for their creative process. I think another very important thing is that it also allows students to look at the cross-section of certain materials, and it also aids them to draw them better when they are doing very professional drawings for the end goal.
So Vedika, can you tell us more about this Architecture Design Studio and what makes this space so unique to students?
So I think that the most unique part of this space is that it's a net zero energy building. But I also think that something that is very unique is the way that design studios are conducted. So essentially what this very large space is converted to is many small studios, and in each studio a professor is assigned, and every week they will basically ask the students to come down and print out any work that they have done and give them a very comprehensive critique on their work.
So after going through the space of the Architecture Design Studio, is this what an end product model looks like?
Yeah, so actually this is one of the final models that was presented at the final critique last year, and this is actually done by a Year 4 student. So usually we spend the entire semester working towards a model that would look something like this, and obviously this is just one model, but behind the model there's weeks of design process and works and drawings. So those are all the panels that you've been seeing inside as well.
Before we wrap up the session today, do you have anything to share to the prospective students?
I think one very important thing to note for prospective students is that we actually work very closely with industry professionals. So all of our professors are actually working directly in the industry, and most of them actually do have their own firm as well. So it actually gives us a little bit more insight into our design process as well, and it makes us a little bit more industry ready.
Right, thank you so much Vedika for the very detailed tour of the Architecture Design Studio. So I can tell that the space is not just designed so that students can work on their projects, but it's also to foster a community with one another so that they can come together, grow together and really engage with one another. Thank you so much!